Moneygram partners XLM Stellar over XRP Ripple. The race of cryptocurrencies has taken a turn towards adoption in multiple industries, and whoever gets new partnerships and big ones gets to live similarly. XLM is beating XRP over adoption in the current scenario. But before we get into the details, I would like to welcome you guys back in another video of our YouTube channel TechHUB, where you will be always getting your daily dose of crypto news and entertainment. It is also important to note that I'm not a financial advisor, and everything in this video is not financial advice. So without any delay, let's start the video by explaining everything happening around XLM. Before we talk about Moneygram and Stellar's partnership, let me start with the last week's news that Brazil's largest crypto exchange also joined forces with the Stellar Development Foundation, SDF, to help in the development of a central bank digital currency, CBDC. Stellar's current task is to create a minimum viable product, MVP, as part of the country's CBDC efforts. On May 24, Mercado Bitcoin, the largest crypto exchange and digital platform not only in Brazil but also in Latin America, announced a collaboration with the SDF to support the country's CBDC efforts. In this case, the MVP would be a CBDC solution that is functional enough to meet the Central Bank of Brazil's minimum requirements. Several CBDC-related studies and investigations are currently underway, as many central banks believe that by using the CBDC vehicle, they can capture the crypto magic without the risks. Recently, even SWIFT, the global financial messaging service provider, announced that it is conducting CBDC-related tests for cross-border payments involving cryptocurrencies. Furthermore, the Stellar Foundation revealed that the project being undertaken is one of 9 projects promoted by Brazil's Laboratory of Financial and Technological Innovations, LIFT, with the help of the Central Bank of Brazil and the National Federation of Central Bank Servers Associations, FENASPAC. All 9 projects will work on various aspects that will contribute to the development of the final CBDC, the real digital. The most exciting news for XLM fans is that Stellar, an open-source network for currencies and payments, has drafted a clear roadmap for the year, which includes bringing smart contracts into the Stellar ecosystem. And now let's talk about the biggest partnership, which will not only help Stellar network in adoption but will also help Moneygram to compete with its competitors in the technological fight. Major corporations have been looking for ways to incorporate cryptocurrencies into their operations in recent years. As a result, these companies naturally want the benefits of blockchain without any responsibility or risk, which is why we've seen so many startups dip their toes in the water. Moneygram is the most recent company to join this new fintech trend. Moneygram International has collaborated with the Stellar XLM blockchain to develop a new service that will allow users to send stablecoins and convert them into hard currencies. Everyone should be pleased with the news because it is significant for both crypto enthusiasts who want more fiat coverage in their investments and those who want to move away from traditional financial systems entirely. Moneygram CEO Alex Holmes recently told Bloomberg Media that stablecoins are starting to take off as a significant medium of exchange. Moneygram is now collaborating with the Stellar blockchain to allow users of its platform to use digital wallets to convert their balances into Circle Internet Financial stablecoin. They will be able to cash out later using Moneygram's payment processing system. Alternatively, recently, there has been a lot of discussion about stablecoins because the stability of stablecoins was recently called into question when the decentralized stablecoin Terra USD lost its peg to the US dollar. Despite all of these opinions and facts, Moneygram announced the project when people questioned crypto assets seeking to maintain their peg with fiat currencies, indicating that people still have strong faith in projects like Stellar. Another major thing which I should remind you guys that in 2019, Moneygram signed a partnership with Ripple to use its product for cross-border payment and foreign exchange settlement. But after the U.S. Securities and Exchange Commission SEC filed a complaint against it, the money transfer company ended its partnership with Ripple. So let's see if this one goes well or not. So that's the end of the video, but still, if you have any questions about anything related to this XLM and this partnership, so as I always say, do mention it below in the comment box. And also let us know if you want us to make videos on all these coins to explain every detail about them. Now, if you have found the content helpful, then don't forget to give this video a thumbs up and do subscribe to our channel for weekly content like this. Thanks for watching and see you in the next video of TechHUB. Until then, goodbye.